You know what I'm saying? That's what this song is about. You know what I'm saying? My mind may be in... Alright, today I'm checking out Dazz Band. I'm listening to the song Joystick. Let's get into it.
Joystick. I'm your joystick. I'm your joystick. I'm your joystick. Take control.
At least he's being upfront. Even though we don't have a music video, you just already know it's gonna be a bunch of smooth, like kind of R&B brothers, maybe with the shirt unbuttoned or no shirt, doing all their R&B stuff. This song, I mean, I think you guys know what it's about, but I could show you what it's about better than I could tell you. You know what I'm saying? That's what this song is about. You know what I'm saying? My mind may be in the gutter, but rightfully so. The man is talking about play me like a video game, joystick, controller, this, and that. You guys all know. You all know what a joystick is. You don't need me to explain it for you. It is what it is. So let's get some sexy joystick dancing. How are they gonna end this song? With the climax, maybe? There's gotta be some back in the day baby making music. I think a bunch of people were conceived to this song. Joystick. I mean, My goodness, what more can you say about it? How is my joystick dancing? I can just like almost picture the video. You know, the sweaty R&B dudes from back in the day, they always be glistening in their videos, abs out and stuff, doing all this weird, you know what I'm saying? I'm not the best at doing all this kind of jiggly stuff. But that's where that's taking me. That is where that's taking me. I heard stuff like this before.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But I don't know.